Dear students, how are you? I am sure you are fine. In my previous class, we discussed some rules on right form of verb. This is the second class on right form of verbs. So, let us move on to the other rules. This will be rule number 10. Would you mind look forward to with a view to cannot help without plus verb plus ing. Example, I look forward to getting your reply. Dear students, this is one of the very important rules on right form of verb, very important. For any class, this is of great use. If there is keep or help or would you mind or look forward to or with a view to, cannot help or without, the verb after these the verb will be verb plus ing. So, here the subject is there, look forward to is here, after look forward to according to the rule verb plus ing, get is the verb and then ing. We know when get becomes getting, there will be double T. So, here double T is there, getting you reply. So, the job is done. Likewise, would you mind giving me a glass of water with a view to, we are studying hard with a view to getting a plus. So, when we get this sort of examples or this sort of words or phrases like this, then there will be verb plus ing. Now, rule number 11. So, if there is have or has or had or get, and if any of these verb is used as causative verb, after this causative verb there will be the past participle form of the verb. Now, look at the example, they have had their request refused. So, here the past participle form is given. So, according to this rule, the past participle form will be followed when any verb is used as causative verb. Now, rule number 12. So, when lest this word joins two clauses, then should or might will be used in this sentence. In this example, walk fast lest you should miss the bus. Lest is used, then after this there will be subject, another subject, then there will be should, and after should there will be the base form of the verb. So, walk fast lest you should miss the bus. Should or might, both are correct. Now, rule number 13. So, this rule is also very important. So, if there is excuse or avoid or forbid, advise, stop, pardon, suggest, prefer, finish, enjoy or start, then after these the verb will be verb plus ing. Look at the example, they started. So, from this start it becomes started because I am referring to past tense. After this there will be verb plus ing, that means do plus ing, then their work. So, this is how it becomes a very correct grammatical rule and very correct sentence according to grammar. Now, rule number 14. If two or more singular nouns are joined, then there will be plural verb. So, if two or more singular nouns are joined, then what would happen? There will be plural verb. 1, 2 singular verbs are there, joined by and, then the verb is plural. Not is, there will be are, because subject, plural subject. Now, rule number 15. Same person, singular verb. On tour. Very important rule. If two or more than two singular nouns and they are referring to same person, then the verb will be singular verb. Here the magistrate, collector. So these are one singular noun because referring to one singular noun. How? Because the is there, one article, definite article the is used. That means the is applicable for these as well as these. So, these are same person. The magistrate himself is the collector. As the subject is singular, the verb will be singular. That is why is there, not are, because same singular person, singular verb. So, the magistrate and the collector is on tour. Now, rule number 16. plural verb. Example, of the school were present in the meeting. Very important. Two or more than two singular nouns referring to different person. So the verb will be plural verb. Look at the example. The headmaster, the secretary. So this is the key factor. The is used for this person. The is used for this person. So basically there are two persons. Two different people are here. That's why the verb is not are, is not was, it is were, because I am referring it to past action. That's why it will be were. So the headmaster and the secretary of the school were present in the meeting. Now rule number 17. Accompanied by, in addition to, like, unlike, including, excluding, etc., will follow the first subject and so if there is with or together with or as well as or accompanied by, in addition to, like or unlike, including, excluding, if there are more than one subjects, then the first subject will be the determiner. That means the verb will be followed by the first subject. Look at the example, he as well as I. So two persons are here joined by as well as. So he as well as I is guilty, because according to the rule, as well as will follow the first person, the first subject. So is there because he is the subject. Not I is the subject here. It will not be followed. According to rule, if there is as well as, then the first subject will make the change of the verb. So according to the first subject, it will be is, because he is their third person singular number. Now rule number 18. Many of them know him. So if there is both or many or some or few, then there will be this kind of indefinite pronoun. There will be plural verb. Many of them know, not knows, because the subject is plural. That's why there will be many of them know him, not many of them knows him. If we write many of them knows him, that will be totally wrong sentence. Then rule number 19. has done this. So, according to this rule, if there is either or, neither dot dot nor or, there will be verb will be followed by the second subject. Here, either you or your brother. So, here is one subject is here, your brother is the second subject. So, verb is changed because of this second subject, because this is singular. That is why has done, not have done. Singular subject, singular verb. Why? Because either or is there. So, according to rule, there will be has done, because it is referring to singular subject. Now, dear students, there will be some homeworks. Please copy this homework. Use the right form of verbs. Both of them done this. Neither Kamal nor Jamal intelligent. Neither Kamal nor Jamal, be verb, intelligent. Number C. Samira as well as her friends done the work. Samira as well as her friends done the work. Run fast lest you miss the train. He went to market with a view to buy, in the bracket, buy something, whatever. So, he went to market with a view to So, these are the 5 examples. You have to change the verb according to the rules that I discussed in this class. Both of them done this, neither Kamal nor Jamal, be verb, intelligent, Samira as well as her friends done the work, run fast lest you miss the train, he went to market with a view to, in bracket, buy something. So, dear students, you have to change the verb according to the rule here. You can get this video in the Kishore Batayan. If you want to have a look, you can look over there and you can pass your comments. If you have any suggestion, if you have any problem, please share your ideas over there. We shall try to solve your problems. Thank you.